Hey guys, Gage Schlegel here from Columbiana Buick Cadillac Chevrolet. Here to take you another quick video of the 2013 Chevy Avalanche. I just wanted to emphasize underneath the hood, and I'm going to get some shots of the frame and the underside here in just a second. I just want to show you a nice good look at the underside. The engine bay could certainly be hosed down, but I'm looking at things, I don't see any major rust spots or nothing like that. Just plenty of dirt. And, I wouldn't mind any of that stuff. Once we get it sent over to detail, they get all that stuff cleaned up and they double check everything, so that stuff will all be squeaky clean. I'll just touch base on the other side one more time. Alright. Move the underside of the truck. Try to get this the best I can here. Well, hopefully you guys can see that okay. But yeah, if you have any questions, please do give me a call, 330-281-3756. Thanks.